This is 94th PHP Advance and 29th Data Science project. So 1% of that is 5 lakh crore conditions basically. So if condition is created from 5 lakh crore conditions, so that power company have that 5 crore data basically. Which data is critical, which data is not critical, that they have already segregated long before basically. When computer basically editor was getting on created, when editor basically was on creation basically, that time basically when you were writing the program of if condition this while loop, for loop basically, that time basically the power company was connected with that editor basically. They were checking each and every stuff basically, because when you are doing the compilation of the code basically, that time basically what basically it converts to exe, it connects to DLL. So that basically is connected with what basically, that is connected with the power supply, na? Because when you do the on of the computer, that type basically what happens. So here one person told that Facebook when loads to the India basically, Facebook basically when loads to the India, in Facebook basically assume that basically there are around, in Facebook assume that basically there are around 1 lakh, assume that basically there are 5 lakh conditions basically, just taking example basically, 5 lakh conditions basically are there of if loop. In really basically it might be 5 lakh crore basically. So 5 lakh conditions basically are there, right? If A equal to B and C equal to C, and so these all basically are 3 conditions. So like this it comes to 5 lakh crore basically. So just taking example basically, in real number basically might be totally different. So one person told that 5 lakh crore condition basically Facebook are loading to the India, and from that India basically, from the loading basically, the power company, that is the nuclear power company and energy company, are separating that conditions basically, which condition they have to load in India basically, and which condition they have to activate. So that basically is what basically 90% disease, then 100 city basically created from the tomato, 100 cities basically created from the tomato, created from 100 cities. So here basically stuffs basically are like this. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.